Good morning. So today I feel like I have to show you how to kick some serious ass in the best, hands down, undisputed best Final Fantasy 1 for the NES. You might have a different opinion, but it's okay to be wrong. It's okay. Calm down. So really the story of Final Fantasy is not about the characters. It's about a group of people who band together and save the planet. And they kind of got lost. Like, there was one where you fucking drive around in a car and cook. Don't understand the point of having that. I heard that it is nobody's favorite game. But anyway, in the first Final Fantasy, it seems like it would be advantageous to have like a variety of different character types. But you wanna kick some ass? You get 4 fighters. Like, you could just punch your way through the fucking game. And I can't remember the first guy's name. I'm gonna say Gargamel. That's wrong, obviously. Maybe he's got a cat named Azrael. But he definitely, his name starts with a G. So let's go fuck G up, yo! Here we are at the game select screen. I have lovingly named them A, B, C, and D. Here we are. Where's the mute button? Ooh, the chance to strike first. We have no weapons, but we got our fists. A is the weakest. Is A for Andrew? Who the fuck knows? Hiya! Ooh! Why would you punch the air, friend? Do a dance! Give me the punching materials. Ooh, almost out of money. Those are magic shops, I believe. Lucan's prophecy. I need a fucking teapot. Yes, we do happen to be the Light Warriors. Thank you for asking. Oh, my sister. That's how we feel. All 4 of us. Freaky deaky. Jane, Queen of Coneria. Princess. King should probably send his knights out. I mean, that's what I would do. Sup, Queenie? Garland, not Gargamel. He is definitely a string of shit around a Christmas tree. The Prince of Elfland? Why would they do that? So they can't access their own treasure? Like, this is a fucking Ponzi scheme, bitches. Give him a punching down, he won't soon forget. B is 69. No, a gross thing. I, Garland, will knock you all down. Not if we give you a stab. Yeah. Key. Move it. Move it. What the fuck, bitch? Ooh, there's a bridge. We fucked those bitches up, didn't we? As you can see, 4 fighters. You just start the game and you tank your way through. Without 4 fighters, it is a lot of grinding to get up to like level 3 or 4. The fighters I feel like they have more resistance. Like if they get hit, they don't take as much damage. Whereas like the little wizards, they kind of, even though they look way cooler than any of the other characters, they end up getting their asses handed to them, and then they die, and then your characters start leveling up like unevenly, and then it's a whole thing. Anyway, I did not remember that the game was so goddamn slow, so I'm glad that I remembered that I programmed in some speed toggles. If you didn't notice that I did that, well, now you did. I also did a save state just in case I died. Then I was going to cut the video so you wouldn't know. I'm clever that way. Anyways, how do we feel about that game? I wanted to do a Castlevania video because I saw a video on like a secret, and then I tried the secret, and guess what? It didn't fucking work. Goddamn internet. They should censor the internet. I'm not even joking. There's so much misinformation on here. Like seriously, like for example,